Welcome. Today we're going to explore how to set your profile photo in the WhatsApp app on your PC with the latest update. Changing your profile picture is a great way to express yourself and keep your contacts updated with your latest look. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to scan the QR code with your mobile device to connect. Once you're in, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the app. This is the menu where you can access various settings and options. Go ahead and click on it. Next, click on your profile option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your profile settings, where you can see your current profile picture and other details. Now, click on your profile picture. This action will allow you to upload a new image. A window will pop up, prompting you to choose a new photo from your files. Once you find the image you want to use, click Open to upload it. You'll see a preview of how your new picture will look. Finally, confirm the change by saving your new profile photo. And just like that, your updated picture is now live on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to easily set your profile photo in the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more great tips.